Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to do this bridal look. This is definitely my go-to bridal because it has a little mix of everything. It's not too dramatic and not too simple either. I'm going to apply a neutral shade for my crease color, and I didn't want to go too warm or too cool for this look. I'm applying the Lorac Diamond Cream pot with my finger. It's so much easier to blend this way. I'm using the KKW black eyeliner just on the lid, and you don't have to do this so perfect because we're going to go over it with a smudge brush and just blend that out. And we're going to extend it a little bit out. We're going to use a wipe right underneath where we want the winged liner to be. So this is going to give us a good guide so we can start doing the actual winged liner. Gonna smudge the outer edges with a black shadow and blend that out with a brown shadow just to give a smoky winged liner look. I'm gonna start prepping my skin with a moisturizer first. So I'm first applying with my fingers, and then I'm gonna go in with a brush and blend it out even more just so that it's nice and even. I'm gonna apply the pore primer mainly to my cheek area by my nose because this is where I have pores, and this is gonna allow the foundation to go on even more smooth. I'm first applying with a foundation brush and then I'm buffing it out. You really want to make sure you get the area all around the neck, behind the ear. I also like to apply foundation to the upper chest area as well, just to make sure that the foundation is matching the body. Applying the Cover FX drops to the highlight points of the face, and this is going to give a really good glow from underneath once it's set. I'm using the Fenty Beauty foundation stick to contour. This is, I think it's the shade Cocoa. It's not too warm and it's not too ashy. Just the kind of contour I wanted. I didn't want a really orange contour for this look. I'm blending out my contour with a no-name brush. I think I ordered this from Amazon, I don't even remember, but honestly it can just be any buffing brush. I'm applying a cream blush to the apples of my cheeks. I really wanted to use a cream and a powder on top because I love it when brides have really rosy cheeks. I think it looks so pretty. I'm using the Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion concealer under my eyes and also on the side of my nose, and blending that out with a damp beauty blender. Setting my eyes with the Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I'm also going to set my forehead as well. So you want to do this to the areas that get oily fast. Just push the setting powder in the skin so that it really sets the foundation. I'm going to bake underneath my cheeks and also the side of my nose just to make it more snatched. I'm going to fill in the brows with the number 3 pencil from Benefit, and I'm going to extend the arch out to make my brows longer. Going over the pencil with a powder just to give a more natural soft look to the brow. Applying a peachy pink color to the apples of the cheeks, so this is going to really enhance the cream blush that we put before we set. I'm going to tap off the baking powder, and I'm going to go over the cheek and forehead area with a bronzer. I'm going to apply a brown shadow to the bottom lash line just to make sure the under eyes look smooth after concealer. Applying a powder highlighter to the cheekbones and also the tip and bridge of the nose. I'm gonna wet my brush with a setting spray and dip it in a light shimmer color. I'm gonna add that to the inner corner of my eye to make it pop more. I'm using shade 1.5 from KKW to line my lip, and I'm gonna fill in the whole lip with that lip liner. I'm gonna define the outer edges with a darker brown color. This is from the Il Makiage and Carly Bible collection. And I'm going to fill in the rest of my lip with the Makeupforever lip cream in shade 03. I'm using the Cover FX glitter drops on my collarbones and all the areas I want highlighted, and I'm going to blend that out with a buffing brush just to give an overall shimmer to my chest. I think this looks really pretty in photos. And I'm going to set that with a powder highlighter. Alright everyone, I hope you enjoyed this video. I had a lot of requests to do it, so please let me know what you would want to see next time, and don't forget to subscribe.